Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and staying safe during this uncertain time. Now you may notice something behind me on the wall which has changed since we last did a bedroom update for Olivia's bedroom. Now Matt and I have been extremely busy over the last couple of weeks putting together Olivia's bedroom, and let me tell you, when you've got a 4-year-old running around during lockdown and you're trying to do a DIY, it's not the easiest of jobs to get done all in one go. So we have been like stretching ourselves out and doing little by little each day. So we're just waiting for 2 more things to arrive, which are coming on Thursday, and then this room will be finished, and I will be sharing with you all on Sunday a full bedroom tour. So make sure that you are tuned in for that on Sunday morning at 7:30. I'm very excited. The room is looking really nice. It's come together just as I had envisaged, and most importantly, Olivia absolutely loves it, so I couldn't be happier. Now, the vlog that I've sort of scrambled together for this video today is a little bit mismatched. There's a little bit going on here and a little bit going on there, and I'll be really honest with you, I had planned it on being one smooth transaction where things all sort of flowed in place, but because of the lockdown it hasn't quite gone to plan. It's been a lot harder than I thought, so I'm hoping that there is going to be a nice kind of routine to it that you'll be able to pick up on, but there are little bits and bobs which have been missed out, such as me wallpapering this wall, which I did by myself, and I have to say I'm very impressed. And also I didn't really get to film me and Matt painting because it was an extremely hot day and we were both looking a bit frazzled, so I decided that was something that probably neither him or myself would like to have on social media, so I've skipped that bit out. But it does all flow nicely together. There is updates on the bedroom being decorated, there's updates on some upcycling of some furniture that I did as well, or like some little bits and bobs from Olivia's bedroom before, and there's also me putting together some flat pack furniture at the end, and I love flat pack furniture, so this worked out really well for me. If you would like to know how I went about the process of wallpapering the wall behind me, head over to my Instagram where I have a highlight saved which shows you how I did the wallpaper. And also, if you want to head over there, I recently hit 100,000 followers on my Instagram, so I'm super excited about that, and I would love for you to join me over on that platform as well if you don't already. One last thing before I get on with the vlog is at the end of the video I am putting together some DESENIO prints, and I actually have a discount code that I can share with you all for DESENIO where you can get 25% off all of their prints, but it only runs until midnight tonight, so that's Thursday the 16th of April. So head over to there now, use my discount code, and you will get 25% off. I will leave a link for that in the description box below. So without further ado, I hope you really enjoy this vlog, and I will see you all on Sunday for the big reveal. So this room is looking a little bit different since you last saw it. We have moved all of the furniture into the middle of the room so we are able to get access to the walls. And then we have added the dado rail around the room. I have chosen to go above the windowsill because I just think it looks a little bit better. So yeah, we're going to do that. We have got some colours on the wall on this side to give you some perspective. So we've got the purpley colour that's going on the top here, and then there's kind of the whitey grey colour underneath. So yeah, that is kind of, we still need to do a little bit there, but that is kind of how the colours are going to look when it's done. And yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day, and really the idea now is just to get started. I'm really excited to just get on with it. My first job is to get changed, and then I am going to caulk all the way around the room on all of the dado rail, because you can see there's like some gapping down here, so that all needs to be caulked before we paint the walls. So yeah, I'm gonna probably get on with that now. But yeah, it's looking really good, really different already. It's amazing what a difference just adding a small amount of timber to a wall can really do. And just to let you know, I actually got all of this dado rail from Wix. It came, you get a pack of 4 for like £24 or something, so it was really cheap as well. And yeah, I can't wait to see it when it's finished. So I'm now off and I'm gonna go get changed, and I will see you all soon. Sorry everyone, I sort of left you a little bit behind. We have added a coat of paint onto the walls now. I have managed to caulk all the way around all of the dado rail, and then Matt has put one coat on the top half. So we've got the kind of purpley colour, which is called Calluna from Farrow and Ball, and he's done that, not on that wall because that wall's being wallpapered, but yeah, he's done it most of this wall, and then he's done all of that wall. But we think it's going to need one more coat, and then we will be able to get started on the bottom half. Okay, we are on the end of day 1, and the whole room has had 2 coats. We are just cutting in at the top, which we're going to finish off tomorrow. So the top half has had 2 coats, and I'm really loving this colour. It's so pretty. I'll show you on this wall, you can see it better. Yeah, it's coming up quite dark on the camera, but yeah, it looks really nice. And then I have painted the bottom half here in the white colour, so it's glass heart from Graham and Brown, and then I've started painting some of the dado rail as well, which is going to be the same colour, so it's looking really nice. We need to wallpaper this wall, but I think we'll do that once all of the room has, the rest of the room is finished, and we can then move all the furniture over this side. But yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. It's now about 5 o'clock, so we are gonna go out and enjoy the sunshine for a little bit. But yeah, it's looking really nice in here. Another task was to upcycle some of the shelving Olivia already had in her bedroom. This was painted previously in the colours to match her old bedroom. So what I did was got the paints that I had been using in the bedroom, and I decided I was going to use those to just sort of upcycle those bits of furniture. So here you can see she's got some house-shaped shelving. She's got a little dream sign, which I'm going to give a try at upcycling, and then also these shelves from IKEA. In an ideal world, I would have gone out and bought new ones, but can't do that at the moment. So yeah, I'm just going to sand them down and then give them a lick of paint. It didn't take too long for my little helper Olivia to come out and help me with the painting in the garden. To be fair, it was a really lovely, beautiful day, so it was nice to be outside together doing this. And I also think that by letting her help out in some way, it gives her a sense of pride in her bedroom, because when she walks in, she knows that she helped with the decorating. During this week, Olivia's new rug arrived for her bedroom, so I cleared some space, got rid of her old fluffy pink rug and laid out the new one. And oh, let me tell you, this rug is so nice. The quality of it, the texture of it, it's just really cozy and snuggly, and it completely transformed this space, and I'm just really happy with it. One of my next jobs was to begin assembling the new shelving units which arrived for Olivia's bedroom. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I actually love putting together flat pack furniture. I just love like the challenge of it, the mental challenge and the determination that you need just to get this done. And these were actually really easy to do. So there's going to be 2 shelving units here. One of them is a wall hanging unit, which has just got a couple of shelves, which I'll show you at the end. And then the other is a much larger one, and it's a bookcase. But they were just really easy to put together once you kind of got the gist of it. With a lot of balancing. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how they turned out, and I just had a lot of fun doing it. I sort of spent a good hour putting these together. this is furniture piece number 1 completed. It's a shelving unit which has got some space here for like books and stuff and little ornaments, and at the bottom it's got some little, what should we call them, knobs, where you can hang like clothes and stuff. Olivia wants to hang some of her princess's dress from it, so yeah, that'll look really, really nice. Now on to the next one. So as I was saying previously, this one here is a bookshelf. It was a lot bigger, and I did get a little bit confused at one point. I think it was trying to balance this bit here when you were trying to balance the other side bit on top, and it just caused me a headache, but I got there in the end, and I just added in a couple of the screws, and yeah, it all came together and it looks really good. Okay, so we have managed to get everything on the walls now. We've got the bookshelf, all the shelves up there, they're going to have picture frames in them. The mirror is on the wall. This bookshelf is behind the door here. And then I've just been styling this over here. My next job now is to go through these frames and put in her new prints of horses and stuff, and yeah, and then the only things left to do will be wait for the new unit to come along here and change her light fitting. So I think this is where I'm gonna leave this now, and the next time you see it, it will be finished and I will do a full room tour. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this somewhat sporadic kind of putting things together for Olivia's bedroom, and we will check in with you all again very, very soon.